If you're concerned about your iPhone getting hacked, there's lockdown mode as an option on your iPhone. It locks down a number of different vulnerabilities or potential ways that your iPhone could get a virus or malware on there. I'm going to walk you through what that does, why it is so powerful, the pros and cons, and of course, how to turn it on if you want to turn it on. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing to note is that Apple says no iPhone in lockdown mode has ever been hacked according to their knowledge. So it's really powerful to prevent anybody from gaining access to it. And I'm going to walk you through exactly what it does. But the first thing that I want to cover is that most normal people do not need to have their iPhone in lockdown mode. This is essentially to prevent government agencies or big corporations or complex hackers from hacking into your iPhone. So think about it as sort of, I'm a journalist that's traveling to a war zone and I'm just reporting on that war zone, and I don't want any other government to be able to hack into my secret files or photos and manipulate those. Sort of things that introduce yourself to complex hacks onto your iPhone. You can enable that lockdown mode. And a quick rundown of what it actually does. It says most message attachments are blocked other than certain types of videos. It will make sure the web browsing that you're doing on your phone is super secure. FaceTime calls will be blocked unless they are in your contacts list. Some Apple services like invitations will be blocked automatically. It'll scrub the location information and certain information from photos when sending or receiving those. And then it'll also prevent device connections to external devices unless you unlock your phone, as well as making sure the wireless connectivity is as secure as possible and limiting your ability to set up new configuration profiles, essentially vulnerabilities with other hackers, setting up configuration profiles to manage your iPhone. So that walks through what it does and who should use it, but now let's walk through how to actually turn it on. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, and from here, scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security, and again, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, there is Lockdown Mode. Tap on Lockdown Mode, and again, it walks you through what it does. Just tap on Turn on Lockdown Mode, and again, it warns you exactly what it is going to do and it is not going to do. Keep in mind, make sure you're okay with this stuff, and if you are, just tap on Turn on Lockdown Mode, and it says for complete protection, it has to be enabled on all your devices. So if you have an iPad or a Mac computer, it'll be enabled on all of those devices. And then you just tap on Turn on and Restart. It will restart your iPhone, but also make sure all of those other devices are in lockdown mode as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.